Hello everyone, and welcome to the Excalibur Roundtable Tech Talk. I am Mike Fuson. This is going to be one of my shorts on organizational change, just some tips and tricks on organizational change. Please check out our channel. We've got multiple webinars that we did on organizational change and other deep dives into organizational change management. So this is change management where we're documenting changes to our IT infrastructure. That's change management or change requests. This is organizational change management. And it's one of the things that can be the most difficult and most overlooked process within our organization as we're making changes to our organization and to our processes. Organizational change is helping the organization make change. As humans, in human nature, we resist change. It's just innate in our DNA. We don't like things changing. We like things working in the way we're used to. However, in order to really continually improve an organization, change is necessary. But where we fall down is doing some basic things. So these are kind of those tips and tricks, and I dive deeper into these in the other recordings that we have out there. But things like communication. It's important to communicate that the change is coming. Important to communicate why it's happening. What is going to change. That lets people know, gives them a bit of advance notice, so when the change occurs, it's not such a shock to the system. What we've seen many customers do as they're making a large change, say they're going to do more with their CMDB. They communicate, and it could be a newsletter, a weekly output that goes out to the organization as we're in the process of configuring our processes and testing and getting things up and running as to the changes that are coming. So it gives it to them in bits and bytes, but they know that it's happening and they know what to expect. That helps lessen some of the angst of the change. Organizational change also requires us to really ensure that not only are we doing that communication, but we've also included the necessary stakeholders in the discussions so that they're aware of what is happening and they've had a chance to have their voice heard. That's an important element in helping organizational change and helping the change go more smoothly than it does when organizations say, oh, hey, here's a new system, here's what we're doing. That is what creates so much angst and so much difficulty in making the change effective. Take a look at our other episodes. We explore organizational change and dive deeply, in many cases, into the structure of organizational change.